Hi, I'm Ken Suura. I am the new physics facilitator.
Hi, I'm Zeph Kenna, and I teach AP Biology, Earth and Space Science, and Forensic Science here at New Tech High.
To give a brief overview of the event, Punkin Chunkin is the big project for physics where they create pretty big, like full-size trebuchets to try to launch pumpkins. We study like projectile motion, Newton's laws, and such, and they try to launch for distance as well as just, to have fun and decorate their trebuchets as well as their pumpkins.
I hope that the people coming here will mostly be excited by the pumpkin launches. We try to make this a very family-friendly event, so I hope that they enjoy all of the games that we have around here. They can see some pumpkins fly and kind of get excited for, especially people that are thinking about coming to New Tech, getting a glimpse into what it will be like once they eventually get here. Yeah, so a really big opportunity for lots of outside people to see what these juniors have been working very hard on these. So to kind of see the fruits of that in their launches when all of that stress and all of that pressure finally culminates into a really good launch is a great feeling.